Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. That is so good. Today we're making panettone bread. If you've never had it or if you've never seen it, it's the tall bread sold around the holidays and has candied fruit or chocolate chips or a variety of different add-ins, and it is absolutely delicious. And it's a staple in every Italian household, so let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is I have 3/4 of a cup of warm milk, not warmer than 110 degrees because we don't want to kill the yeast. 2 1/4 tablespoons of yeast and a tablespoon of sugar. We're just going to give this a mix and let it bloom. In the bowl of my stand mixer, I have 1 stick of room temperature softened butter, 3 eggs, and I'm going to give this a mix until it's all incorporated. Once our butter and eggs are incorporated, my sugar, 3/4 of a cup, a teaspoon of salt, the zest from 1 lemon and half an orange, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla bean paste. And now we're just going to get all of that incorporated. Yeast and milk mixture that's bloomed. And we're just going to give that a quick mix. My flour, it's 3 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I switched over to my hook attachment. Half a bag of chocolate chips, milk chocolate chips. Now, as you can see, our dough has come together, and we just want to knead it in here with the dough attachment on for about 6 to 8 minutes, or until the dough pulls away from the side of the bowl. The dough is almost there. It's a little bit wet, so I'm just going to add in about a tablespoon more flour, and I'm going to continue to do that until the dough pulls away from the sides of the bowl. The dough's perfect now. See how it pulled away and it's just hanging on the hook, and it's tacky, but it's not wet. So now I have some flour on my surface, and I'm just going to spread it out for a minute. And basically, we're going to take our dough and we're going to lay it out on the floured surface, and we're just going to knead it by hand for a couple of seconds, just until it doesn't stick to your hand anymore. Okay, so we're done kneading it, so now I'm just going to roll it into a ball, tucking the ends of itself under each other. And you see you get a beautiful ball. Now we're going to take that same dough, the same bowl that we mixed it in. I oiled it with extra virgin olive oil, and I'm just going to pop it in here. I'm going to put a towel over it, and I'm going to put it on top of my oven where it's warm, and I'm going to let it rise for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours, or until it doubles in size. Okay, so as you can see, our dough doubled in size. So what we're going to do is we're just going to punch it down, and then we're going to take it out of the bowl, and we're going to put it in a panettone pan. So this is what it looks like. Essentially, it's just a very tall but narrow springform pan. So we're going to take the dough out of this and transfer it. This is such a beautiful dough. Look at that. So we have our dough in our panettone pan. So we're going to cover this up and let it go for its second rise for about 1/2 hour to 1 hour, or until the dough reaches the top of the pan. So now that our panettone dough has risen above the pan, we're going to pop this in a 350-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes, or until a skewer is inserted and it comes out clean. Here's a little tip. If while your panettone is baking, if you get to like the halfway mark, 20-25 minutes, and it starts to get too dark on you, just put a piece of foil over the top of it and squeeze it around the pan a little bit. It doesn't have to be tight. You just want to shield it from the heat so it doesn't darken anymore. Our panettone is done, and let's unveil it from its home. Oh, look at that. Come on. Isn't she beautiful? Let's cut her open. Normally you would wait for this to cool down to room temperature, but I have no patience and I have to cut it open now. Look at that. Can you see the steam coming off of it? Look at that crumb. It came out perfectly. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. That is so good. 100 out of 10. Guys, you have to make this. If you want the recipe to my panettone, comment recipe in the box below, and I'll be sure to send it to your DM. I'd love to sit and chat, but I have to go be alone with this right now. See you later.